Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. I am here with another video on the chapter Factorization of class 8, that is exercise 6.1. So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so here the first question you can see, find the common factors of the given terms. So we have to find out the common factors of all these given terms. Okay. So let us start with the first one. So first one is given as 12x, 36. So we have to find the common factors for both the cases, that is 12x as well as 36. So what are the common factors we are getting between these two numbers? Okay. So first we will write the common factors between 12x. 12x can be written as, okay, 2 into 2. Okay. So just see here, 2 into 2, we are getting 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so if you find difficulty in finding this, you can just take the LCM out of 12. So you'll get 2 6 are 12. Okay, then you can take 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So the things which you got over here, that is 2 into 2 into 3. So it can be written as it is. Okay, so these are nothing but the factors of 12x. Similarly, you can write the factors of 36. 36 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. And 12 3s are 36. Okay, so sorry, here I have done a mistake. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, and this x is remaining, which is multiplied by x. So common factor will be equals to, so you can see what are the common factors here. 1 2 is common here. One more 2 is common here, and one more 3 is common here. So what are the common factor? 2 into 2 into 3. So when we multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the common factor? 12 is the common factor between 12x and 36. Okay, similarly moving to the second one. Here it is given as 2y. So the common factor of 2y is 2 into y. Similarly, 22xy is given. 22 can be written as 2 into 11. 2 11s are 22 into x into y. Okay, into x into y. So what is the common factor here? So you can see the common factor here, 2 is common between these two. Okay, so 1 2 we are getting, and you can see y is the common between both the cases. So 2 into y is the common factor, that is 2y. Similarly, moving to the third question, you can see the third question is given. So the common factor, the factor of 14pq, 14 can be written as 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14 into p into q. Okay, similarly 28 p square q square can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28 into p, because p square is given, p into p into q into q. So what is the common over here? Common factor is equals to, you can see this is common factor between both. You can see this is common factor between both. Okay, similarly here p is common factor. Okay, and similarly q is common between both. So I will write 2 is common, into 7 is common, into p is common, and into q is common. So what is remain, when we multiply all these things, what we are getting? 2 7s are 14 p q. So this is the common factor between both the things. So moving to the fourth one over here, you can see 2x can be written as 2 into x. Okay, similarly 3x square can be written as 3 into x into x. Okay. Similarly, 4x can be written as 2 into 2. Okay. So here you can see there is no common factors between these things. Okay. So if it was 2x and 4x, there was 2 and 2 common, but there is no 2 over here present here. Okay. And if there is x in between, x and x is there, but there is no x present here. Okay. So basically we can see no common factors between all the three terms. Okay. So what we will write, the common factor is 1. Why it is 1? The common factor is equals to 1 because when we multiply 2x into 1, we are getting 2x. Similarly, 3x square, when we are multiplying with 1, again we can get it 3x square itself. And 4x, sorry, this is not 4x, it is 4 actually. Okay, here you can see it is 4. So when we are multiplying this 4 into 1, again we are getting 4 itself. So the common factor we got here, that is 1, 1 and 1. So we can write the common factor over here is 1. Okay, so moving to the fifth question, here you can see the fifth question is given as 6abc. Okay, so how to factorize this 6abc? 2 3s are 6 we are getting into a into b into c. Okay. Similarly, 24ab square. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 we are getting. 4 2s are 8 we are getting. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Into a into b into b. Since b square is given, we will get b into b. Okay, next 12a square b is given. 12 can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12 into here a square is given, a into b. So what is the common factors over here? See, 2, 2 and 2. So we'll write 2 over here. Then you can see there is no 2 here. Okay. No this 2 also. You can see 3, 3 and 3 is given. So I'll write 3 over here. Then you can say A and A is there here. Okay. Similarly you can see B, B and B is given. There is no C over here. Okay. So these are the common factor, that is 2 3s are 6. AB is the common factor here. In the next case, you can see when you solve this, that is 16x cube is given. 16 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and x cube is given, that is x into x into x. Then minus 4x square can be written as minus 2 into 2, that is 4, 2 2s are 4 and x square will be x into x. Okay. Similarly, 32x can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, then 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32 into x. So common factor will be, so 2, 2 and 2 is common. Okay. Similarly, 2, 2 and 2 is common again. So there is no 2 over here again. Here there is no 2 in between. Again x, x and x is present. So we can write it as x. So 2 2s are 4. 4 into x is 4x. This is the common factor. Okay. Similarly, seventh one is given 10pq. Okay, 10pq can be written as 2 5s are 10 into p into q. Okay. Similarly, 20qr can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, into q into r. Then next one is 30rp. 30 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. Just you can see here I have written 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4. But in 4 table we cannot get 30. Okay. So what I will write is 2 5s are 10. I will make it as 2 5s are 10. Okay, and 10 3s are 30. Okay, then R into P. So common factor will be, okay, so you can see 2, 2 and 2 is one common factor. Then 5, 5 and 5 is one more common factor. Then here P is there but there is no P over here. Here Q is there but there is no Q in this one. Here R is there but there is no R over here. So what is the common factor here? 10 is the common factor. Similarly, you can see next one more case here. That is 3x square, y square is given. So y cube is given, sorry. Y cube is given. So 3 into x into x into y into y into y. Okay. Then 10x cube y square is given. 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. Okay. Into x is how many times? 3 times. X into x into x. Into y is how many times? 2 times. Y into y. Then 6x square, y square and z is given. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. Into x is 2 times. X into x. Into y is again 2 times. Okay. Then z is given. So what will be the common factor over here? So there 3 is there but there is no 3 over here. This is not the common factor. 2 is here but there is no 2 over here. 5 is here but there is no 5 in another terms. So 2, 3 and 5 are definitely not the common factors. So you can see x, x and x is given. Okay. X is one common factor into how many times? Here 2 times it is given, here 3 times and here 2 times. So x you can take it as 2 times common factors. Okay. Then y into y, y into y and y into y again it is given. So there is no z over anywhere. So what is the common factor? X square and y square are the common factors. So you can see the second question over here. Factorize the following expressions is given. Okay. So we will not take this into the same manner how we have found it out the common factors. We will use a simpler method over here. So how can you do here is, you can see 7 1s are 7 and 7 6s are 42, right? So we will take 7 as common thing which is outside. Okay. What will be remaining here? X is remaining. When you multiply these two things, you are going to get 7x. 7x minus will be as it is, and 7 how much is 42? 7 6 are 42. Okay, so this is the answer for this expression. Okay, so this is the factorize. You have factorized this into 7 and one more will be x minus 6. Similarly, when you go this, here you can say 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Okay, so I will take 6 outside. What will be remaining here? P is remaining minus 6 2s are 12, and one more thing what is remaining here is Q. So you can say 6 into P is 6P, minus will be as it is, 6 2s are 12 and Q will be as it is. So this is the term. These are the two terms. After factorization, you are going to get the same thing. Okay. So if you factorize this like this, you can see here, I'll just show you. 7x can be written as 7 into x. Okay. Similarly, 42 you will write it as 7 into 7 6 are 42 you are going to write. Okay. 7 6 are 42. So what is the common term over here? You will get the common term as 7, and what will be remaining? X and minus you will get 6. So similarly I got the answer over here but in a different manner. Okay, you can write it this also. You can, if you need, you can solve it in this manner also. Okay. So similar, one more question is given here, 7a square plus 14a. So you can take it as, you can see here 7 you can take it common. What will be remaining here? 7, and here you can say a is 2 times, here a is 1 time. So you can even take a outside. Okay. So what will be remaining with you? 1a will be remaining plus 7a, 7 2s are 14 and 7a will be, when you multiply a, you are getting 7a plus a plus 2. Just I will show you here. 7a square will be written as 7 into a, okay, plus 14a can be written as 7 2s are 14 into a. So what is the common thing here? 7 and a. In both the cases you will get 7a, here also you will get 7a. So you will take 7 into a outside. What will be remaining? A plus, here 2 is remaining. So that is 7a into a plus 2, which I have written here similar manner. Okay, so in the similar manner only we will calculate here. 16 and 20 is given. So I will continue this with the 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 4s are 16 I'll get. Minus will be as it is into z plus 20 can be written as 4 5s are 20 into z cube is given, z into z. Okay, so what is common over here? 1 4 and 1 4, and similarly z and z is common. So let me write here what is common. 4 into z is common. Okay, then I will get here what is remaining. Minus 4 is remaining. You can see 4 and this minus is remaining, plus 5 into z into z. So you will get 5 into z into z. So what you are going to get the final answer as 4z into minus 4 plus 5 into z square. Z is 2 times, so it will be z square. Okay, similarly let me write here. Here also you are going to get 10 into 2. 10 2s are 20 into L, L is 2 times, so L into L into M plus 30 can be written as 10 3s are 30 into A into L into M. So what you got common over here? 10 and 10 you got common. Similarly L and L you got common. Here M and M you got common. Okay. So what you are going to write over here? 10 into L into M, which is common things. Okay. So you have taken outside. Then what is remaining here? 2 into L is remaining. That is 2L. In between 1 plus is remaining. And again what is remaining? 3A is remaining. So your main answer will be 10LM into 2L plus 3A. So the next third case you can see. Okay, next case, that is sixth case. Here you can see 5 is common. Into x square can be written as x into y minus 15 you can write it as 5 3s are 15 into x into y square is given, so it will be y into y. So what is the common thing here? 5 and 5 is common, 1x and 1x is common, and 1y and 1y is common. So you will take 5 into x into y as common. Then what is remaining here? 1x is remaining in this side. Then minus this minus, and one more 3 and y is remaining. So 3y you are going to write it here. So 5 into x into y is 5xy into x minus 3y. Okay, so this is the answer. Similarly here you can see, here also you can write it as 10 can be written as 5 2s are 10 into a square can be written as a into a minus 15 can be written as 5 into 3 into b square is b into b plus 20 can be written as 5 4s are 20 into c into c. So what is the common cases here? 5 is common. Here 5 is common as well as here 5 is common. Okay, so 5 I have taken outside. Then what is left over here? 2a square. Okay, 2 into a is nothing but 2a square minus 5 is taken outside. What is left? 3b square is left. Okay, plus this plus 4c square is left. Okay, then coming to the next one. So 4a square, 4ab and 4ca. 4 can be written as minus 2 into 2 into a into a. A square is a into a, plus again 4 is given, 2 into 2 into a into b, okay, minus 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into c into a. Again, what all things are common here? 2 into 2 is common, 2 into 2 is common, and 2 into 2 is common, okay. Then you can see a is common, and a is common. So what you are going to write? 2 into 2 is nothing but 4 into a is common, okay. Then what is remaining with us? Minus a is remaining. Here you can see minus a is remaining, plus b is remaining over here, and minus c is remaining. So this is the answer, 4a into minus a plus b minus c. Similarly, you can see the next one. Here x square is given, x into x you can write, y is given and z is given, plus x into y square can be written as y into z, plus x into y into z square means z into z. So common things, x is present, y is present, and z is present. Here x, y and z is present. X, y and z. So what are the common? X into y into z are common. So here what is left? X is left in the first case, plus in the second case y is left, plus in the third case z is left. So what is the answer over here? X, y, z into x plus y plus z. Okay. Similarly here also a into x square is given into y, plus b into x into y square is given, okay, plus c into x into y into z. So what is common over here? X is common over here. One more x is present, here also x is present, okay. Then y is present here also, as well as here also. But z is not present in these two cases, whereas z is present here. And a is present here, b is present here, and c is present here. So which does not matches anywhere. So what you need to write? X into y is common. Then what is remaining? A into x is remaining, okay, ax, plus by is remaining here. Then this plus cz is remaining. So what is the main answer? Xy into ax plus by plus cz. So moving to the last third part of this exercise. So you can see question is given as just factorize, and here 4 terms are given, okay. So first one is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So this you have to factorize this according to the factorization of regrouping method, okay. So if you are unaware what is regrouping method, you can watch my introduction part video. The link will be provided into the description box, where I have explained what is regrouping method in the factorization, okay. So here we will see according to regrouping, we can group this term as like this. So x square plus 8x, this 8x we can take it to this side, as there is the only x part into this two conditions, whereas the other two conditions you can see other two factors where x and y is present, here y is present, but there is no y over here in this two cases, okay. So what we will do, we will group this 2 here, plus xy and 8y we will keep it this side. Now what we need to do here is we will group these two terms here, okay. So according to that, let us solve it. First we need to take the first group, that is x square plus 8x. So how can we group it? X square plus 8x. X square will be written as x into x. When we multiply x into x, you are getting x square, plus 8x can be written as 8 into x, okay. So what is the common thing over here? X is common in both the cases, here also and here also. So x we will take outside. What is remaining with us? X plus, and this 8 will be remaining, okay. Now let us take the second part, that is xy plus 8y. So what will be left over here? Xy can be written as x into y plus 8y can be written as 8 into y. So what is common here? Y and y is common. So we will write y into x plus 8. Okay, so now we will take the whole term over here, that is x square plus 8x plus xy plus 8y is equals to. Now we need to take whole this condition, x into x plus 8 plus y into x plus 8. Okay, for this part we got the answer as like this, and for this part we got the answer like this. Now you can see what is the common terms over here. X plus 8 is the common term in both the conditions. Okay, and what will be remaining? X plus y is remaining. This x and this plus y will be remaining. So here you can see the second question is given as 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So this you can solve it into two manners. You will get the answer as similar. So let me group this into this term and then this term. Okay. So first if I do in this manner, the first method will be, okay, so here you will get 15 into xy. 15 can be written as 5 3s are 15 into x into y, okay, minus 6x can be written as 2 3s are 6 into x, okay, plus, okay, plus 5y can be written as 5y and minus 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Okay, so now I have to take the common terms between these two terms. So what is the common term here? 3 and x is the common. Here also 3 and x is the common. So if I take 3 and x common, what will be remaining here? 5y is remaining and minus 2 is remaining. Okay, plus here nothing is common. So I may take 1 as common over here. I may take 1 as common here. Okay, what will be remaining? 5y minus 2 is remaining. Okay, so you can see here 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. You will write 5y minus 2 first. Then what is remaining? 3x plus 1. So this is the answer. If this is by one condition. Okay, so one more alternate method is there for the same case, that is 15xy. Let me take this 5y before. Okay, so plus 5y minus 6x minus 2. Let me group this here and this here. So what I will be getting? 15xy can be written as 5 3s are 15 into x into y plus 5y can be written as 5 into y. Similarly, minus 6x can be written as minus 2 into 3 into x. 2 3s are 6 into x minus 2 into 1. Okay, so here common thing is 5y and here 5y. Okay, so 5y I have taken outside. What is remaining? 3x is remaining, and here completely 5y I have taken outside. What is remaining? Plus 1 is remaining. When you multiply 5 into y, 5y into 1, you are getting the answer as 5y. Okay, then minus I have taken common. Here what is remaining? 2 is remaining. There is no x over here. Okay, so let me take 2 here. What is remaining again? You can see 3x is remaining. Okay, minus is there. So if we take here plus, minus into plus, we are getting minus. And sorry, not 2 I have taken already outside. What is remaining? 1 is remaining. So here you got 3x plus 1, here also 3x plus 1. So this is common over here, and then what is remaining? 5y minus 2. So you can see in both the conditions you got same answer, that is 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2 and into 3x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. So you can take both the conditions, okay, whichever you want you can take it, but both the conditions you will get the correct answer. So next, moving to the third one, you can see here here ax plus by, and I will group this into like this. So what is common over here? A into x is there plus b into x is given. Okay, then this minus will be as it is. Here you can write it as a into y can be written as a into y minus b into y. So what is common in between these cases? What is common here? X is common. So let me take x outside. What is remaining? A plus b is remaining. Since this x is taken outside, here a is remaining, here b is remaining. Minus here, what is common over in here? You can see y is common over here. Okay, a is as it is. Instead of this minus, you need to write here plus, because minus into plus you need to get minus. If you write minus over here, minus into minus, you are getting plus, which will be wrong. So here while taking, you have to take it as plus, and b is remaining. So you can see here and here, both the cases you will get common terms. Okay, so your answer will be a plus b common term, and what is remaining? X is remaining minus y is remaining. So this is the answer. Okay, next one, fourth one, you can see again. Let me group this into like this. Okay, and this into like this. So what we are getting here, 15 can be written as 5 3s are 15 into p into q, plus 15 can be written as 5 into 3, plus 9q can be written as 3 into 3q, plus 25p can be written as 5 into 5 into p. Okay, so you are going to take the common terms over here. So you are getting 5 into 3 common over here, 5 into 3 and 5 into 3. Here what is remaining? P into q is remaining, plus 1. Since why 1 you have taken here? Because there is this whole term you have taken already outside. What is remaining? 1 is remaining. Plus, there is no common term over here. So you can see there is no common term over here. So this is not the method. This is completely wrong method. So what you have to follow up here is this is the question, that is 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. So what you have to do here is you need to group this term along with this term, or you can group this term with this term. Okay, where you can see you will get the variables. Okay, so now let me group this term with this term. So 15pq can be written as 5 3s are 15 into p into q, plus 25p can be written as 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25 into p, can be written as 5 3s are 15, plus this 9q can be written as 3 into 3 into q. 3 3s are 9 into q. Okay, so now I need to group these two terms, and later on I will group these two terms. Okay, so here what is common? 5 and 5 is common, and p is common. So 5 into p I have taken outside. What is remaining with me? 3 into q is remaining. Here you can see 3 into q is remaining. Here 5 I have already taken outside, p I have already taken outside. What is remaining? 1 5 is remaining. Plus, here you can see what is common? 3 is common in both the cases. 3 I have taken outside. What is remaining? 5 is remaining here. Plus 3q is remaining. 3 into q is remaining. So now you can see 3q plus 5, here also 3q plus 5. So what is remaining? 3q plus 5 is common in both the cases, and here what is remaining is 5p plus 3 is remaining. Okay, so you have to be aware while choosing your grouping system. When you are grouping it into accordingly correctly, then only you will get the answer correctly. So here it was, the first term grouping was correct, since 15 and 15 was common. 15 and 15 you can take common. But here 9 and 25 you are not getting in any of the table. Together you are not getting. 9 can be, we can get 9 into 9 table and 3 table, but 25 we can get it only in the 25th table and 5 table. You have to be careful while choosing your groupings. Okay, so the last problem of this exercise, that is z minus 7 plus 7 xy minus xyz. So what I will do here is I will take this one and this one as common. Since here z and z is common, and second term I will take this two terms common because here 7 and 7 will be common. Okay, so first I have taken z here, so z will be the term. Next, minus xyz can be written as xy into z. Then next one you are getting 7, you can write it as 7 into 1 plus 7, you can write it as 7 into x into y. So let me group this term and this term. Okay, so here the common term will be z. What is remaining? Nothing is there here, so it means 1 will be left. Minus this z I have taken outside. What is left? X into y is left. Okay, then minus, here you can see 7 I have taken common. What is left here? 1. I have to take here minus because minus into minus I'll be getting plus into x into y. So you can see in both the terms I got the common terms. So 1 minus xy is common over here, and what is remaining? Z minus 7 is remaining. So this will be your answer. Okay, I hope you have completely understood with this exercise. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below. Okay, so I'll see you soon in my next video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.